This engine hasn't been started for several months because of all the snow and ice that we've had during the winter. Just put a battery on it, started first turn of the key. It's about 105,000 miles, I think. I was driving the car around for about 2 years as a courtesy car. Unfortunately, rust and blowing exhaust and other things made it not worth getting through the MOT. But it's a really good engine. There's no radiator at the moment, so I can't run it for very long. But I hope this gives you an idea of what a nice little engine it is. Ticking over lovely. It hasn't run for months. Amazing.